Today, we'll be talking about Maxim's low-power ARM Cortex-M4F Microcontroller with Bluetooth 5, the MAX32655. Many modern microcontroller-based applications are battery-powered, and that means the microcontroller must consume as little battery as possible. Keeping the power requirements for the micro modest means the longest time between recharge cycles or battery replacement. Low power, yes, but that doesn't obviate the requirement for processor horsepower and plenty of RAM and flash in a cost-effective device. And communication, especially for wearable and hearable devices, Bluetooth Low Energy is becoming the way microcontrollers talk. And new features in the latest Bluetooth specification enable audio directly over the LE radio and direction finding to other nearby BLE devices. Finally, the physical design of consumer products is becoming more and more daring. You don't want the physical dimensions of the microcontroller keeping you from designing the most appealing package that you can. Well, let's see how the MAX32655 can help. The MAX32655 is a cost-effective but powerful microcontroller designed for embedded applications. Its whole reason for being is to bring long battery life to applications that need an embedded BLE radio. The primary computing core is an ARM Cortex-M4 with a floating point unit and support for single instruction, multiple data DSP instructions. The ARM Cortex-M4 addresses a half megabyte of flash and 128 kilobytes of RAM. A second core, a 32-bit RISC-V core, handles the BLE stack. Now, in this way, the entire horsepower of the ARM Cortex-M4 is available for the user application without having high-priority communication interrupts get in the way. So, where might this device find a home? Well, the obvious places are in medical wearables and fitness devices and hearable applications. But don't dismiss other, less obvious applications like asset trackers and wireless peripherals for computers and smartphones and tablets. So now you know how the MAX32655 can address those design challenges. The MAX32655 has excellent low-power characteristics in both active and standby modes. In fact, in most applications, you'll see a 50% reduction in power consumption measured on a microamp per megahertz basis. The MAX32655 has lots of horsepower, storage, and RAM at a budget-friendly price. You can load your application on the main core and let the RISC-V core handle all the BLE tasks. That flexibility provides opportunities for new applications that might be tough on just a single core. And about that BLE radio, it's based on the latest BLE specification and includes angle of arrival and angle of departure capability, along with BLE audio. It supports the coded PHY to provide long-range communication, but it can also provide fast data, up to 2 megabits per second. The MAX32655 has two package options, an 8x8mm BGA package and a tiny 3x3mm WLP package. Ready to learn more? Well, great! The MAX32655 EV Kit has everything you need to get started with evaluating and developing applications for the MAX32655. Thanks for checking out the MAX32655, Maxim's low-power ARM Cortex-M4F microcontroller with Bluetooth 5.